Alright, so for this recipe, we're going to start with 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I ended up using 3 cups, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, so you're going to put that dry mixture aside and we're going to start on the wet ingredients. So in a mixer, you're going to put 2 cups of light brown sugar, now 8 tablespoons or 1 stick of melted butter, two large eggs, and I cannot get this one to crack for the life of me, but I finally got it in there. Okay, so now you're going to do 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, now we're going to mix that ingredients together. Alright, so now we're going to add in our dry ingredients to the mixing bowl. I just love to bake, especially in the fall. It's one of my favorite things to do. It just makes the house smell so good and it's just so cozy. And if you guys have any recipes or fun things you like to bake in the fall, make sure you leave a comment and I would love to check those out. Okay, so now we're going to put our whisk attachment back on and we're going to get ready to mix all of the ingredients together. Here I'm just scraping the sides just to get all that goodness down in there so everything can mix together good. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. Okay, so now you're going to add 1 whole bag of the semi-sweet chocolate chips. And a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes under. Now mix all of that together. The other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Okay, so once the mix was good, I just scooped them out with a ice cream scoop and we're gonna put them in the oven on 350 and I did mine for 8 minutes. Alright y'all, here they are. They were so good. Let me know if you tried them and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye!